You know that feeling. That gotta go feeling? It's an urgent need that can lead to urgent bladder leaks. And bladder leaks can really disrupt your life. So, take back control of your bladder by unlocking a new path forward. Meet Revi, the miniature implant that combines modern technology and proven neuromodulation. Revi is implanted near your ankle and sends a message through the nerve in your leg to your bladder, calming the urge to go. One single procedure for long-term results, so you can focus on what you love to do. Revi is placed near the ankle under local anesthesia. Then you're on your way home. After healing from the procedure, your treatment settings will be personalized to optimize treatment, all based on your response. Then just put on your wearable to activate your implant when and where it's convenient for you. When you self-administer treatment at home, you may feel a mild tingling sensation on the bottom of your foot. Unlike other therapies, there are no ongoing office visits required to deliver treatment, and Blue In Support is there to answer questions and help you along the way. Don't be tied down by your urgent bladder leaks. Think less about your next bathroom break and more about continuing the life you want to lead. Ask your healthcare provider about Revi, the miniature implant for urgent bladder leaks that's proven safe and effective in scientific studies. Revi is proven to reduce urgent bladder leaks and improve quality of life. It's time to unlock your new path forward with Revi, an innovative therapy that could be the key to the symptom relief you've been seeking.